Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Today we're going to have a look at an absolute classic bit of Beyonce and Destiny's Child. We're going to do an acoustic guitar version of the wonderful Survivor, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, for this one it's a very simple piece on the acoustic guitar, so even if you're just starting out, this one shouldn't give you any problems at all. And like I always do in my my guitar lessons, you'll see the running order come up on the screen. If you already know the chords we're about to learn, you might want to skip the video forward so you can actually just try playing the song in the order of the chords and everything else. But if you do need to know the chords or learn the chords, I'm going to go through them straight away. And like I said, all we're going to be looking at for this song, very simple, but all we're going to be looking at is E minor, A minor and B7. Okay, with this song we're going to be playing it in exactly the same key as the original version, yeah? So the first thing I want you to do is to get a capo, and if you put the capo on the 4th fret of the guitar. But as I always explain in my tutorials, if you don't have a capo, you can simply learn the chords and play this one exactly the same without a capo. It's just that that wouldn't be in the exact key as the song. So if you played along with Beyonce and Destiny's Child, you'd notice that it sounds slightly different because you'd be playing it in a lower key. Okay, but let's move straight on and start learning the chords for the song. So we want E minor. Oh, let's sort that capo out. Okay, so we want E minor, we want A minor, we want B7, and then it goes back to E again. That's the whole song all the way through. Okay, so just to start off with the E minor, okay, for this one we want to hold down the 5th string in the 2nd fret, and we want to hold down the 4th string in the 2nd fret, and for this one we strum all the strings top to bottom. Okay, next up is the A minor. For this one we want the 2nd string in the 1st fret. We then want to hold down the 4th string in the 2nd fret, and then we want to hold down the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. And for this one we're trying to avoid the bass E. We're just hitting the 5 lower strings. Okay, and a B7, slightly simplified version of a B7 this one, but it fits the bill perfectly for this one. We want to hold down the 4th string in the 1st fret, then we want to hold down the 5th string in the 2nd fret, and then we want to hold down the 3rd string in the 2nd fret as well. And for this one we're avoiding the hitting the bass E, it's just the 5 below. Okay, and literally all this song does is goes from the E minor, 2 nice easy downstrokes if we just keep it very simple like that. So 2 downstrokes on E minor to A minor to B7 and then back to E and start again. That's all it does the whole way through. So I'm going to go nice and slowly. I don't do impressions of Beyonce very well, so you're going to have to excuse the singing, but I'm going to hum the tune as we go through this one, and just try getting used to those chord changes. I'm sure you're going to have a better voice than me on this one, so make sure you practice it and it will sound great. But if we just start off with the E minor very slowly, I'll hum the tune and see if you can keep up and see if it all starts to flow and makes a lot of sense to you. Okay, so E minor, 3, 4, and E minor for 2, to A minor, B7, and back to E, and again E minor to A minor, B7, and back to E, and then B7, I'm a survivor. tune, that one, yeah. So like I said, I'm sure you're going to do a better job of the vocals, but it's as simple as that. Just those 3 chords all the way through. Practice it. You might want to try your own sort of take on some various, experiment with a few different strumming patterns, but this one really does sound good as an acoustic guitar vocal version. Like a lot of the tunes I do, we get some various requests, but this one does go down well at some of the open mics that I run. You know, it's a great one for singer-songwriter guitar players. Practice it, it'll sound great. All the best, and I look forward to seeing you for more great guitar songs and more tutorials in future. All the best. Thanks. Bye.